Hi everyone, this is Krista with Art Graphic Studio. Today we're going to make a quick and easy Easter pop-up card. You can get this file on Cricut Design Space in My Shared Files. However, if you're not a Cricut Access user, Cricut may want to charge you for any of their components that I used in this design. If you're a Cricut Design Space user, you can access some of my shared projects by opening Cricut Design Space, and on the home screen, in the search bar, type Art Graphics Studio and press enter. Then scroll down to Community Members and click on Art Graphics Studio. There you'll find all of my shared projects. All right, let's get started. This is the double opening Easter card, and this is the way it works. Here's the blank. And this is a quick and easy card. You've got the base, and this will glue to here. This will be the inside, and the rest is decor. So you've got a fold line here and a fold line here. And we're gonna let that dry. And I have made a little back panel for this to kind of set it off. And I'm going to put dimensionals on this to put it on here. This will go in the front and this will go on the front. And as you can see, I have used some glossy accents on both this egg and on the adornments. I'm going to put this here, and I'm going to put this at the top. Now this will go in the center here. So I will glue that down and be right back. Okay. Now this is a little frame that I'm putting here, and I'm doing that because this, if I didn't put something around it, this would just blend in. So I'm going to put that there and glue that down. And I want to make sure that I've got it lined up properly for the windows. Okay, that looks right. So I'm going to make a little mark. So I can see where to put it. Now you could put this with dimensionals if you wanted to. I think I'm just going to glue it down. Check it again. Needs to come that way a little bit. That looks pretty good. So we'll let that dry. Now while that's drying, I've got this little egg that I'm going to put on with a pop-up. So it'll come up through the windows. But I've got some little adornments I think I'm going to put on there just for fun. Now if you find that you're having trouble with these sticking, you can always put a little dab of glue on it. Keep it where it needs to go. Especially if you're giving this to a child. You certainly don't want those coming off. In fact, I wouldn't give it to a very young child. This one is going to a 9-year-old. Okay. Now those are going to need to dry for a few minutes. Now, if you want to, you can always put some decorations here, some more of these, whatever you'd like to, just to give it a little more interest. And you can also put your sentiments here and here, even here. Or if you'd like to, you could put your sentiments on the back. All right, let's put our pop-up on here. These are such clever little things. All right, and we want this right in the center there. And then this will pop right up when they open the card. So there you go. See you next time. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video useful, don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and notification bell to stay informed about more exciting projects. I appreciate you watching my video, and I will see you next time.